Thank you for joining me for this tutorial on how to set up your CREWbiz profile. First, navigate to crewnetwork.org, or if your chapter's website is built on the integrated platform, you can also do this from there. You can tell that if the presentation is the same with the login screen on the right. You can either log in from this section right here and then click the CREWbiz community button, or you can simply click CREWbiz community and then click the login button from the right, top right. So the CREWbiz community is the members only portal that houses the online discussion board, which is a great networking tool, members only resources, the member and the speaker directory, and your personal marketing profile. So today we're going to be setting up your profile. This is the CREWbiz landing page. To access your profile, you click the avatar up in the top right. And I want you to notice this progress completion bar, which indicates my profile is not yet 100% complete. So let's click profile. Completing your CREWbiz profile is an important step. This helps you get the most value from your membership. CREWbiz, your profile, is where you can promote your unique skills and expertise to the member base of more than 12,000 commercial real estate professionals. The first thing you want to do on your profile page is to add a headshot. So to do that, click Actions, Change Picture, and you can upload your headshot from many different platforms. Select your image. You can resize, recenter, click Save, and Upload. According to a business study by LinkedIn, people are 7 times more likely to select a record with a picture than one without when they're given the option from a list of results. Sharing your picture projects trustworthiness. Members will find your profile when they do a search in the member directory or through your participation in the open forum, which is the online discussion group. And that's where members give and get business referrals, share resources, and connect across the network every day. Members know through experience there are no cold calls in Crew Network. So in a quick glance, you'll notice that there are 3 general columns, and then you'll see the pencil icons. That's how you edit information, and the blue or teal add buttons. That's how you add information. Now in the left column, if you click any of these edit pencils, a new browser tab will actually open, and you'll be redirected to enter the information from my account on the Crew Network website. So this is for your contact information and your About Me specifics. So asset class, career level, areas of specialty, there's a lot of those, and demographics. So once you're done editing everything on here, click Save Changes and Close, or you can simply just navigate back to the CREWbiz tab. The center and right columns are all edited using fields on this page. So if you click those or edit buttons, this is a resize tool. So if you want to make that a little bit bigger, you enter it directly on here. Same here. You just enter it directly in those fields. You may notice 2 sections that are not editable. That's affiliations, that's your chapter membership, and then committee history. These values are populated by Crew Network's database. So if changes are needed, please contact the Crew Network office. Crew Network recommends completing at minimum the bio, experience, education, and photo. And now that I've added the photo, if I click up here on my avatar, you'll notice the completion bar is gone because my profile is now considered 100% complete. A couple other quick notes. Under my profile, there's also a My Speaker profile. Fill this out if you want to be included in our speakers profile. Speakers profiles are available to the public. So when companies contact us and ask us if we have a member who is qualified to speak on a certain topic, we direct them here. Only members are listed in here, but non-members can search this speakers directory. Another place I want to direct you to is under my account, there's email preferences. We recommend that you don't change anything in this section because these are emails that are sent from other members when someone wants to connect directly with you. So either when they send a connect request or when they tag you in a post on the open forum discussion. So you don't want to turn those off. Under my account, again, in community notifications, this is where you can change the frequency of open forum emails. By default, this is set to daily digest, which means every morning you should receive one email that provides the different topics that were discussed within the community from the previous day. These are good emails to skim through every day in order to respond to members trying to connect with someone with your expertise. Again, we recommend you leaving it as daily digest. If you choose so, you can change this to no email. There are many other features and areas to explore in CREWbiz, such as the directory, the resource center, and ongoing discussions. Please take some time to poke around. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching. Happy networking.